Have you ever wondered what else beer could be used for other than drinking? In this video recipe guide, we will be baking beer bread. greensandmachines.com. Disclaimer: this video is for entertainment purposes only. Please follow your local jurisdiction's laws regarding alcohol consumption prior to attempting the recipe in this video. To bake beer bread, you will need the following ingredients: 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter or margarine, cooking spray, and a 12-ounce bottle or can of your favorite beer. About the beer: the style of beer you choose will affect the flavor profile and color of your bread. If you want a cleaner tasting beer, pick a lager or pale ale. If you want bread with a bit more roasted flavor, pick a darker beer like a porter or stout. There are many flavor combinations here, so experiment to see what you like best. For this video, I will be using a homebrewed Dunkelweizen. The wheat character of this brew will add to the full body of the bread. You can check out the recipe for that beer by following the link in the top right corner of your video player. In addition to the ingredients before, you will need a loaf pan or two. I am using these 2 pans, which measure 7.75 inches by 4 inches by 2.75 inches. And you will also need a medium-sized mixing bowl. To start, set your oven to 375 degrees. Mix together the dry ingredients in the medium-sized mixing bowl. Slowly add in the beer to the mixing bowl, combining it with the dry ingredients. This may foam a little bit. The dough will be about the consistency of biscuit dough once combined, but should not be nearly as sticky as biscuit dough. Some of the flour also may not be incorporated, but that's okay as long as the dough is consistent. Spray the bottom and sides of the loaf pans with non-stick cooking spray. Take a stick of butter and melt it in the microwave. Move the bread dough into the pans. Once the dough has been divided amongst the pans, pour the melted butter or margarine over the bread dough. Carefully move the loaf pans into the preheated oven. Bake for 45 to 60 minutes. While the bread is baking, it will rise in the oven within the first 15 minutes or so. This is to be expected. The bread is complete when the tops are golden brown and the bread is solid. Remove the bread from the oven and allow it to cool a bit before slicing it and serving it with your favorite toppings. Enjoy! Hey, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to Greens and Machines on YouTube. Don't forget to visit our website at www.greensandmachines.com. Till next time.